How to use tagged dating app. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. For that, all you have to do is open up your Play Store or check out your App Store. Search for tagged. Select on the suggestion, then just tap on the open option. Make sure that your tag is up to date. Once open, now you need to log in using your Google, or you can even manually log in. Now I'll be tapping on Continue with Google. Select on the Google account that you want to associate with the tag account. Select on Accept Terms. In here, you need to enter your DOB. So go ahead and set your DOB, as it is age appropriate application. Then just tap on OK. Enter your gender. Then go ahead and select your ethnicity. Then tap on Create Account. Wait until it loads up the next step. Now you need to provide some of the permission it asks for. And just like that, you'll be able to log in to your tag account. Now there you have it. Get started to meet new people, chat, and have fun. And this wraps up this tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.